yummy? Hi, hello, welcome back to another Saturday upload. I hope you're all doing well. And if you're anything like us and you are self-isolating, you're probably just as bored as we are. So one of the things that was requested by my husband as well as some of my friends in my last trying video was to try to do Disney's churros. Now, I can't make them as big because my fryer is not that large. And well, I can do my best to make it taste the same, and I really thought this was a fun idea. And we can just pretend like the calories don't count during self-isolation, right? Anyways, let's go wash our hands, get aproned up, and we'll get this started. So kind of a different angle today because most of my stuff is going to be being done on the stovetop. Minus I do have my deep fryer preheating at 360. You can use just a stovetop and oil and it's easy. I just like the cleanup of this. I just find it a little easier for myself, and then I know that my oil's at the right temperature. Toddlers. Well, I have my saucepan preheating, and so I am going to add a cup of water. As well as a quarter cup of butter that I've cubed really small so that it melts a little bit better. And then I have a tablespoon of sugar and a quarter teaspoon of salt here. Just gonna take my wooden spoon. Apparently that was a little wet from cleaning it. And we are going to bring to a boil over medium-high heat. So I am going to flip the camera around and we will do a speed section here. Now that we're at a boil, I am going to add my cup of flour, which I actually weighed because I want 241 grams. And it's probably quite important for this one dough. So if you have a kitchen scale, do that. Reduced my heat to medium low, and now I'm gonna cook, stirring constantly with this rubber spatula. So I traded out my wooden spoon for this rubber spatula. And it's gonna cook until it comes together and is smooth and is maybe a little bit lumpy. Okay, try to get all that flour incorporated. Okay, though, that looks smooth, right? And I'm gonna turn off my heat. And at this point, it wants you to transfer it to another bowl to cool. So let's do that. So we're gonna just let this chill for about 5 minutes before we do everything else. So I will be right back. So it's cooled for about 5 minutes. So I've taken out my 1 egg and I just put my half a teaspoon of vanilla in there. And it says that you need to blend this right away when this gets added. So I got my hand mixer ready. And we're gonna bring it together until it's smooth, but it will separate at first and look funny, just so that we know. Okay, here we go. All right. I don't know about you, that looks together and smooth to me. So we're going to transfer this into a piping bag that has a piping tip on it. So let's go over to the island. I have my rounded star tip in my bag, and I have it in a cup because, as we all know, I love to do this. It makes it easier. And I'm just going to plop this in. Then we can do the fun part, which is the deep frying. Well, I'm of course adapting the recipe using my deep fryer instead of a pot, because this one it turns. So I might just remove the, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna remove the basket from mine. And now what you need to have on hand also is a clean pair of scissors, because we're gonna be snipping off those bad boys. I don't know why I did that. All right, let's get started. Now for the moment of truth. Now I would suggest getting everything prepared in advance. So like I said, I have my scissors and this. My oil is hot. I have a paper towel lined plate that I can put them on to absorb a little bit of the excess oil. And then I have my sugar and cinnamon mixture and a thing to do it. So we are going to only gonna do 5 at a time. Oh my word, these look so fun already. Trying to turn them as I go a little bit. But it's all about that color. They need to be that nice golden brown. It said about 2 minutes, so we'll see. We'll see. Almost there. Ah, we have an explosion! Let me go transfer bags. Can we just appreciate this beautiful stack of churros for a moment? Just look at it. She's beautiful. Ooh. Should be cooking dinner. Instead, I'm gonna try one of these bad boys. Oh my word. Focus. She's perfect. Like, actually perfect. Light. I will be linking this recipe down below because it is astounding how good these are. Hey, Cloudy, you want to try a bite of a treat?
Yeah.
Okay. Mmm, that yummy?
Yeah.
Well, there you have it. Copycat Disney churros. Linking that recipe down below because I definitely recommend it. They had 5 stars and I see why now. And as always, if you've made it this far, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. Share it with your friends if you'd like. We are here every Saturday. I upload the videos at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. And we will see you next week. And remember to let me know in the comments if there's another recipe you'd like me to try below. We love you all. Mwah.